Hey, you guys, I'm trying this thing and we'll see how it goes. I wanted to have this cute background and I wanted to make a little video, and the only way I can do it is either do a live or do a story, so I don't know what's going to happen. Anyway, what I wanted to do was read to you a little bit from the book of Candle Magic. And this is my new book that's out. If you have not been, I don't know how you could miss it. I'm posting about it constantly. But anyway, this is the book of Candle Magic, and I've highlighted a few little things so that I could read you a section of it and so that you can get a flavor for it. So if you haven't ordered it, you can order it at Parlor of Wonders, of course, on my site, but you can order it from your local bookshop. You can order it from, Amazon or any of the other usual places. But this book is out now, and it's an amazing book, if I say so myself. I've gotten great feedback from people. They love it. It takes you from very, very beginner to very, very advanced candle magic and gives you a solid foundation to create your own spells. So it's not a bunch of recipes. So I was going to read to you a little bit from it so that you can get a flavor about it. So this is what I'm going to do. In chapter 1, which is your Candle Magic starter pack. Oh my gosh. First of all, look at those amazing illustrations. I didn't do that. That was the amazing illustrator. When is her name? I will tell you her name. I should know it. My goodness. Her name is Wen Su. Knew her first name at least. That's pretty good for an old lady like me. Anyway, chapter 1 is your Candle Magic starter pack, and it's talking about all the things that you need to know and before you even start your first candle. And the section I'm going to read you is called Can a Candle Spell Backfire? So I will read this to you. It seems that I get asked this question at least once a week. What if my spell backfires? When asked this, a lot of questions are brought to mind. Namely, what does it mean for a spell to backfire? I get the impression from the people who ask that if a spell is done wrong, not only will they not get what they're aiming for, but they'll end up in an even worse place than before they started. This is patently false. Think about it. If you were trying to make a cake and added salt instead of sugar to the recipe, you would just end up where you started before you started making the cake, with no cake. You would not end up in some negative vortex of never eating again. And the simple solution to the problem would be that you would start your recipe over again from scratch. It's the same thing with candle magic. It's the same thing with spell work. If you make a huge mistake and mess up your spell, then the worst that you can expect to receive is nothing. No big deal. There's no karmic blowback from a spell done wrong. Like a firecracker that fizzles, it just becomes a dud. If you do a candle spell and it doesn't go well, take a deep breath, dump the spell, and start over. Light another one and let your fireworks show continue with a bang. So that's that section on what to do. Can a candle spell backfire? That's in chapter 1 of my book, The Book of Candle Magic. Just wanted to read a little snippet for you guys with my beautiful seasonal. This is like my color combination right here. These gray blues. Oh, I love it. Anyway, I just wanted to read that for you guys. Thank you so much. If you bought the book, a lot of you have already bought the book. Thank you so much for buying this book. You are all going to have an amazing experience working with this book. And if you haven't bought the book yet, do it now. First edition, first printing. They've already started making the second printing. You want that first edition, first printing, you better get on it right now. Thanks, you guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye. Now, how do I turn this thing off? Oh my God. How do I turn it off?